How to find a Gmail account by phone number. Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I'll show you how you can find your Gmail account by your phone number. So without further ado, let's get started. So first thing first, open any web browser on your phone and in the search bar, simply type accounts.google.com and simply press enter. And after that, you'll be prompted to your account center. Now here simply tap on your profile icon in the top right corner, and from here simply scroll down to the bottom and tap on the option labeled add another account. Now again tap on add account to device, and after tapping on that you will be prompted to the sign in page. And here once you see the interface like this, you can simply tap on forget email. Now here you simply need to enter your phone number linked to your account, and once you're done with that you can simply tap on next. Now provide your first and last name, and after that you can simply tap on next. And now Google will ask to send a verification code to your phone, so simply tap continue and check your SMS for the code. And after that enter the verification code and simply tap on next. And once verified, Google will display any Gmail accounts associated with your phone number. And that's it. Now you can regain access to your Gmail account. With this, if you found this video helpful, then don't forget to like, share and subscribe to get updated for more videos. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.